Good evening, guys. Yeah. In the last session, we are trying to understand what kind of applications we can develop by using Java. So, what type of applications we can develop by using Java? We can develop standalone applications by using Java, and we can develop web applications by using Java, and we can develop mobile applications also by using Java. In order to develop standalone applications, we are having a concept called J2SE. What is the meaning of J2SE? Java to Standard Edition. Java to Standard Edition. This is also called as JSE. Next one, we are having J2EE. What is the meaning of J2EE? Java to Enterprise Edition. Java to Enterprise Edition. Now, so here what we can do by using J2EE, by using JEE, what kind of applications we can develop? We can develop a web application by using J2EE. Next one is J2ME. That is Java to Micro Edition. Java to Micro Edition or Mobile Edition. It is called as JME. Now this is JEE. Right. Now, so we have seen that unlike people. So now it will be clear for you. Is my voice audible? Sorry. Is my voice clear now? Is it clear now? Very low. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Could you please confirm? Yes, perfect. Perfect. Good. All right. We discussed that we can develop standalone application by using Java. We can develop web application also by using Java. We can develop mobile application also by using Java. All right. Later we discussed when Java came into market. First of all, Java is a programming language. Java is free and open source programming language. Java developed by which company? Java developed by Sun Microsystem. Java developed by Sun Microsystem. Java released in which year? Java released in 1991 as Oak language. Later, they renamed to Java. The first version of Java released in 1995. Perfect. Now, Java Java is under license of is under license of Oracle Corporation. Is under license of Oracle Corporation. After that, we are trying to understand Java features. So yesterday we started what are the features of the Java. So the first feature of the Java we understood simple. Why we are saying that Java is simple? The complex topics of C and C++ are eliminated in Java. What are those complex topics? Operators overloading, pointers, memory management, etc. Those are most difficult concepts for the people. These topics are going to confuse the people. So those complex topics are eliminated in Java language. That is the reason people are saying that Java is a simple programming language. The most important feature of the Java is platform independent. The most important feature of the Java is platform independent. What is the meaning of platform independent? Java programs can be executed on any machine. Java programs can be executed on any machine. Sir, how Java programs can be executed on any machine? Why C programs cannot be executed on any machine? What is the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? Can you tell me the execution flow of a C programming? Yes, now assume that we are going to write a C program. Can we execute C program directly in a computer? Why we cannot execute C program directly in a computer? Computers cannot understand the C language. Then what we need to do? We need to translate that. Computers cannot understand our C program, then we need to translate the C program. Whenever we translate the C program, it is going to generate object code. What is that, guys? Some object code it is going to generate. The process of converting C program into object code is called as compilation. What is that, guys? Compilation. The process of converting the C program into this object code is called compilation. Then once the program is compiled, then we need to run that program. So compilation is required and execution is required. Compilation and execution. Whenever we execute the program, it is going to give output. It is going to give the output. In order to provide this output, whatever the object code is available, this object code will be converted into machine understandable format. For example, if you use Windows operating system, then this object code will be converted into Windows understandable format. If you execute this object code in the Linux machine, this object code will be converted into Linux right now. So wherever you do this compilation, whatever the code is available, this code will be compiled in the machine understandable format. Okay, if I want to run the same C program, I need to compile that in every language. I need to compile that in every machine, sorry. I need to compile that program in every machine. Then only you can run that. So if you compile the C program in the Windows machine, it will run only in the Windows. If you compile that in the Linux machine, it will run only in the Linux. But when it comes to Java, that is not the process. When it comes to Java, that is not the process. When you go for Java, we are going to write a Java program. Can we directly run the Java program? Can we directly run the Java program? No. For Java programs also, we need to perform compilation. When we compile the Java program, is it going to give the output directly? No, no. When you compile the Java program, it is not going to give the output directly. It is going to generate one intermediate code. That intermediate code is called as bytecode. Bytecode is human understandable. Can we understand that bytecode? Can machine understand that bytecode? Humans cannot understand that bytecode. Machine also cannot understand that bytecode. Machine will understand only binary language. Here, Java program is converted into bytecode. Now, I need to run this Java program. What I need to do, guys? I need to run this Java program. Whenever we run this Java program, one machine will start, that is Java virtual machine. So this is the reason why Java became platform independent. This is the reason why Java is a platform independent. Java program is available and we are going to compile the Java program. When we compile the Java program, bytecode will be generated. That bytecode we are going to execute. That bytecode we are going to execute. When we execute the C program, directly it will give the output. But when you execute the Java program, it is not giving the output directly. So whenever you execute the Java program, JVM is going to start up. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. You can open that Windows, guys. If you are not getting air, you can open that, no problem. Yes, you can press that and open it. Yeah. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM is the most important part in the Java. Every Java program will execute with the help of JVM. Sir, can we see that JVM? It is virtual. Virtual means we cannot see with our eyes. Now, I am physical. I am presented here. I am physical. You guys can see me. But JVM, we cannot see because JVM is a virtual. When you run the program, it will start internally. We cannot see with our eyes, but it will run our program. Virtual means it is not visible. It is not visible. Now, whenever you execute the Java program, JVM will start. Here, our JVM is intelligent. Our JVM is intelligent. Sir, why JVM is called intelligent? JVM will not execute the program directly. JVM will not execute the program directly. Our JVM will check where you are executing the program. In which machine you are executing the program. Is that machine is a Windows operating system machine? Is that machine is a Linux operating system machine? Is that machine is a Mac operating system machine? First, it is going to identify that. Our JVM will recognize that where we are running our program. This JVM will convert our program into machine understandable format. Are you guys getting my point? So that means, can I run the Java program in any machine? Can I run the Java program in any machine? Actually, I am running the Java program, or I am asking the JVM to run the Java program. We are not running the Java program. We are telling to JVM, please run my program. Then that JVM is going to take your bytecode. It will convert that bytecode into underlying machine understandable format. That means if you are using Windows machine, if your laptop is having a Windows operating system, that bytecode will be converted into Windows machine understandable format. Are you guys getting my point? Right. Same Java program Can I run directly in the Linux machine also? Same Java program, can I run in the Linux machine also? Do I need to make any changes? Do I need to make any changes? No. Why? This bytecode is not dependent on Windows, not dependent on Linux, not dependent on Mac operating system. Bytecode is one intermediate format. I am a programmer. I have written my Java program. I compiled my Java program. When I compile my Java program, that compilation is generating bytecode for me. That bytecode I cannot understand, you cannot understand, computer also cannot understand. Then that bytecode we need to execute. When we execute that bytecode, JVM will start. Sir, how we will get the JVM? Where is the JVM? If you install Java software, then JVM will come. Are you guys getting my point? So how JVM will come into my machine, sir? If you install the Java software, then JVM will be installed by default. If you install the Java, if I want to develop a Java program, I need to download Java software. Java is free or Java is licensed? Java is free. Java is a free language or Java is a licensed language? Java is a free language. Can I download and can I install? Yes, you can download and you can install Java. You can download and you can install Java. When you install the Java, JVM will come automatically. Whenever you run the program, JVM will start automatically. What is the role of the JVM? Guys, come on. What is the role of the JVM in the Java? What is the role of the JVM in the Java? JVM will convert bytecode into machine understandable format. If I am using system, that bytecode will be converted into Mac operating system understandable format. Bytecode will be converted into Mac operating system understandable format. Are you guys clear with this? Now tell me, C language is platform dependent or platform independent? C language is a platform dependent, whereas Java is a platform independent. How Java became platform independent? Because of JVM. If JVM is not available, again it will become platform dependent. So at that time, in the year of 1991, Sun Microsystem identified the problem. So computers are understanding only machine language. So whenever you develop a program or you develop a application, that application should be executed in any machine. So now, can people write the code to understand the computer? Whatever the code we are writing? No, because binary language. Now, they provided JVM. Whenever we run that program, that JVM will take our bytecode and it is going to convert the bytecode into computer understandable format. When it understand by the computer, then what it will do? It will provide the output. It will provide the output. So this is the execution flow of Java projects or Java program. Tomorrow, when you this question will not be asked for experienced people. It is LKG standard. How Java program will execute? They will ask a question. What is the architecture of Java program execution? Then we are going to become Java developers. When you become a Java developer, what you will do? When you become a Java developer, what you will do? When you become a Java developer, you are going to write some Java code. That Java code will be converted into bytecode, right? So the process of converting Java program into bytecode is called as compilation. Is called as compilation. Once the bytecode is generated, guys, see here, whenever we write a Java program, that file, wherever you write the Java program, that file will have .java extension. That file, now If I have a PDF, .pdf, .xls, Excel file, .word, .txt, .image, .png, .jpeg, .mp4, .mp3, file extensions. Similarly, whenever we write a Java program, that file extension will be .java. Whenever you compile that Java program, bytecode will generate, right? That bytecode extension will be .class. That is called .class file. .java file we will create. Whenever we compile that Java file, it will generate .class file. Whenever we have a .class file, we don't need a .java file. We can delete it. Because are we going to run the Java program or we are going to run the bytecode? Bytecode. Whenever you develop a Java program, you will compile that Java program. Whenever you compile the Java program, .class file will be created. Whenever you have a .class file, you don't need the Java file because you are going to run only .class file. When you run the .class file, that bytecode will be converted into machine understandable format. Who is doing that conversion? Who is converting the bytecode into machine understandable format? JVM. What is the full form of the JVM? Java Virtual Machine. How we will get the JVM? Can I go to shop and purchase? How we will get the JVM? Whenever you install the Java, then JVM also will be installed. Last row. Are you concentrating? Right. Right. So whenever we execute this Java program, JVM will convert the bytecode into machine understandable format. Will it convert into which machine understandable format? Any machine. If it is Windows, it will convert into Windows understandable format. If it is Linux, it will convert into Linux understandable format. If it is a Mac, it will convert into Mac understandable format. So because of this JVM, Java became more popular. Because of this JVM only, Java became more popular. If JVM is not available, there is no Java. If JVM is not available, there is no Java. There is no use of Java. We cannot do anything. We cannot do anything because I know Java. I will write Java, but who will execute my Java? If JVM is not available, there is no use of Java. Are you guys getting my point? Right. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. Perfect. So Java programs can be executed on any machine. JVM is making, JVM made Java as platform independent. JVM made Java as a platform independent. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM is responsible to run or execute Java programs. Are you guys clear? Yes. Java first feature. Java is simple. What is the meaning of simple? Complex topics of C and C++ are eliminated in Java. What are those complex topics? Operators overloading, pointers, memory management, etc. Those topics are eliminated in the Java. That's why we are calling Java as simple. What is the meaning of platform independent? Java programs can be executed on any machine. Third advantage. Any guess? Any guess? Open source, it is not a feature, it is advantage. Oopa. Huh. With simple English only we can write the Java programs. It's simple plain English only. There is nothing else. Huh. What is that? Java is robust. What is the meaning of robust? What is the meaning of robust? Robust means strong. Robust means strong. Java is a strong programming language. Sir, why are you saying Java is a strong? Why Java is called strong? Horlicks पीते हैं क्या? No. Why Java is strong? Strongly checking. Yes. Yep. Somewhat correct. Yeah. Any other reason why Java is called as a strong? Online people are giving correct answers. Offline people are not responding. The reason to say Java is robust, there are two reasons, not one reason. Because of two reasons, people are saying that Java is robust. First one is automatic memory management. What is the first one? Automatic memory management. Here, in order to run the Java program, how much memory is required? In order to run the Java program, how much memory is required? I no need to specify that. JVM is intelligent. JVM will allocate the memory which is required for executing our program. When you go for C language, we need to specify how much memory is required to run the program, and we need to clean up the memory after the program execution completed. So that is the most headache for the programmer. How much memory I need to allocate, when I need to deallocate the memory, that is the most challenging part. But when it comes to Java, do I need to bother about memory management? Who will take care of the memory management? JVM. So how much memory is required? Hello, madam. क्या कर रहा है? What are you seeing down? Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Bore लग रहा है क्या? Right. Now see here. So Java is robust. Why we are saying Java is robust? Two reasons are there. Robust means it is a strong. Java is strong. Why people are saying that Java is robust? Automatic memory management. So memory allocation, memory deallocation. So when I am running my program, I need some memories to store some data. After my program execution got completed, I need to clean up that memory. Memory allocation, memory deallocation will be taken care by JVM. Automatic memory management is available in the Java. As a programmer, you no need to bother when to allocate the memory, when to deallocate the memory. That will be taken care by JVM. And the next one, self-healing capacity. What is that, guys? Self-healing capability. So that it is a high terminology. We can call it as exception handling. What is that? Exception handling. Whenever a program is running, the program may fail, right? So whenever we write a program, there is a chance that program may fail, may not get the actual output whatever I am expecting. My program may stop because of some reason. So when you have such a kind of problems, such a kind of exceptions, we can handle them in the Java. There is a mechanism called exception handling in the Java. Are you guys clear with my point? So Java people are calling as robust, automatic memory management, exception handling. Whenever you write a program, if any exception occurs in the execution, we can handle that in the Java. Java is having exception handling capacity. Automatic memory management is there in the Java. That's why Java is called as a robust programming language. And the next one, OOPS. What is the next one? Yesterday I told you some story about the OOPS. OOPS, object oriented programming. Object oriented programming system, or I can say object oriented programming system. Java is object oriented programming language. Now this is not the right time to talk about OOPS. If I explain what is OOPS today, tomorrow you will not come to the class. Are you guys getting my point? If I explain OOPS, tomorrow you will not come to the class. So I will not explain what is oops now. So let me give some time. After 15 days or after 2 weeks of time, 2 weeks or 3 weeks of time, once we are comfortable with the basics of Java, then we will enter into oops. As of now, I will give you oops, object oriented programming system. Everything will be represented. Everything will be represented. Everything will be represented in objects format. Reusability, code reusability. Whatever the code we are going to write, we can reuse that code for different purposes. If you follow oops principles, oops nothing but set of principles available in your academics. You might have studied about that: inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. 4 points are there: inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Java supporting for those 4 principles. That's why Java is called as object-oriented programming language. Java supports oops. That's why Java is called object-oriented programming language. Sir, what is the advantage if Java supporting for oops? Java supporting for oops, okay. What is the benefit I am going to get? Yes or no? So here the benefit for you is code reusability. We can reuse our code. If I write one code, the same code I can reuse for another purpose. If I have a reason, then I can go for and reuse that code. Code reusability we can achieve by using oops concept. So we are going to spend almost 2 weeks of time to understand what is oops, how to work with oops. This is within 2 minutes of time. I can't give you the knowledge about the oops. For time being, remember that Java supports oops. What is that oops? बाद में देखेंगे. We will study in the future. We will study in the future what is oops. All right. Next one. What is the another feature of the Java? People will say that Java is secure. Java is secure. Virus cannot affect our Java programs. Are you guys getting my point? Whenever you go for C language programs are not secure. The bytecode which is generated, right? Virus can affect, virus can malicious that bytecode. Antivirus softwares we are going to install. So, right, to secure our systems. So whenever you write a C program, when you compile your C program, bytecode is there, virus can attack that bytecode. But when it comes up to, bytecode, object code. Whenever you compile that C program, object code will come, virus can attack that object code. But when it comes to the bytecode, objects cannot attack this. So our Java programs are secure by default. Java programs are secure by default. Next one. What is the next one? Another advantage. As of now, we have seen 5 advantages, right? What are those 5 advantages? Simple. Java is easy. Java is simple. Java is a platform independent. Java is robust. Java is oops. Java is secure. Java is secure. And Java is distributed language. Java is distributed language. Sir, what is the meaning of distributed language? What is the meaning of distributed language? Now, assume that I am writing some lines of code. I'm writing some lines of code. Assume that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write 10 lines of Java code, whatever it is. 10 lines of Java code I am writing. In the Java, you no need to execute these lines in the sequential order. Sir, after 1 is completed, go for 2. After 2 completed, go to 3. In the sequential order, you no need to execute. Now, you can execute your program parallelly. Parallelly, you can do that now. These three lines of code are used for money deposit. Assume that you are using net banking. These three lines of code are used for deposit the amount into your account. These three lines of code is used to withdraw the amount from the ATM or transfer the amount from one account to another account. So these three lines of code are going to do transfer, right? And when it comes to these three lines of code to check the balance, these three lines of code is used to check the balance. The last line of code is used to download statement. I want to download some mini statement. So in my Java project, are several functionalities are available. I am writing the program with different functionalities. Do I need to execute one after other, or I can execute them parallelly? Do I need to execute? Suppose if I want to check the balance, do I need to wait for you? You are withdrawing the amount. Do I need to wait for you? Not required. So the parts, whatever the parts we are writing in the program, those parts we can execute parallelly. That is called distributed execution. Here, if you have 10 lines of code, you can execute them parallelly. You no need to wait, sir. If a first line completed, then only I will go for second line. If a second line completed, then only I will go for third line. Such a kind of waiting is not required. So you can distribute your program execution. Within one Java project, multiple functionalities can be executed parallelly. Now I am doing net banking, I am depositing the money, I am transferring the money. You can use the same project, you can check your balance. Somebody can use the same project, they can download the statement. So such a kind of distributed execution is possible in the Java. That is also one of the advantage. One of the advantage. Now, seventh advantage. Any guess? Any guess? No? Java is portable. That means Java programs you can transfer from one machine to another machine. You can execute them in any machine, any device. Whatever the Java program I'm writing, you can execute them in any device, in any machine. Easily you can transfer the Java programs from one machine to another machine. They are not dependent on the machines. Why they are not dependent on the machines? Because of JVM. Because of the JVM. Power gone? No. Today we have inverter also, no problem. Right. So because of yesterday's effect, today we have done all this. Because of yesterday we lost 3-4 times power cut. Right now today we have 4 hours backup. If power is gone also, that should support. So I don't know whether it is working or not. Today they have installed it. Right. So Java is portable and Java is distributed. Java is secure. Java is OOPS supported. Java is OOPS. Don't say like that. Java is OOPS. No. Java supports OOPS. Java supporting OOPS principle. Right. Now, what are the principles available in the OOPS? Just for names. What are the principles available? Inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. Those are 4 pillars of the OOPS, right? OOPS principles. Our Java is supporting for those principles. Java is robust. Java is platform independent. Java is simple. Are you guys clear? Chalo. Next one. Here we are good with introduction, guys. So I don't want to waste much time for the introduction part. Let's directly start into our practicals. Clear? Now, Java, we discussed that Java is a programming language. Java is free and open source. Java developed by Sun Microsystem. Java released in the 1991 as a Oak language. The first version of Java released in 1995. Now Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. There are some features available. Because of these features, Java is more famous in the market. At that time, these many features are not available in any language. in the year of 1991. In the year of 1991, there was no language which is provided these many features. At that time, Java was more popular. Java became more popular at that time. It occupied the entire market. It occupied the entire market. Now, so next up, sir, we are good. We understood what is Java, what we can do by using Java, and why we need to learn Java. Java features also we have seen theoretically. Now we need to start our programming. Now we need to start our programming. All of you ready? Programming is difficult. Programming is easy. Anybody feels that programming is difficult? That is just a myth. Programming is difficult is a myth. Programming is not difficult. Your friends, your relatives made you to feel programming is difficult. But ए भैया देखो अच्छे से सुन. How he is listening to the class? That is the problem with the online. He is lying on the bed and is listening to the class. Is that the way to learn the class? Is that the way to attend the class? Online. Again, Karthik. Mr. Karthik, please give some attention to the class, man. Not now. Morning 7 o'clock, I have a DevOps class. That's where the whole fun will be there. People will be in the sleeping mode. Sometimes their video will on, they will be sleeping. I need to wake up them by Suno, class is going on. Morning 7 o'clock is a horrible online session. Some people will, snoring sounds also will come. Right. And here guys, there is a tagline for the Java. Our institute also having one tagline. Have you seen that? You can see that. Learn here, lead anywhere. Right. Similarly, Java is also having one tagline, Java slogan. What is the Java slogan? Ora. Java tagline is called Ora. What is the meaning of that? Write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. What is our one? Here lead and oh, okay, it's matching, right? Write once, run anywhere. That is the tagline of Java, or we can say Java slogan. Write once, run anywhere. So if you write the Java program once, you can run that program anywhere because JVM is there. JVM simplified our life. JVM simplified our life. Whatever the program we are writing, JVM is converting that program into computer understandable format. Taklu, what are you doing? Why are you checking your phone? You are checking, man. Your head is down. क्या देख रहा है? क्या है नीचे? कान कैप देख रहा है. ठीक है. Concentrate. From now, if I feel anybody sleeping, anybody checking your mobile, you have to give the seminar for 15 minutes here. That is the punishment. If anybody sleeping in the class, offline people, if anybody sleeping, if anybody not focusing, I will call you. I have 4 eyes. I can observe you clearly. I will call you. You have to give the seminar for minimum 15 minutes. If you are ready, then you can sleep. Okay, fine. Right, what is the slogan of the Java? Write once, run anywhere. Perfect. Next one. So all theoretical part is done much. So we don't need to waste much time for the theory. Let's jump into actual Java world. I welcome you to Java world. Let's get started. Chalo, ek baar taali maro. Right. We are jumping into Java. Good. So first we need to understand environment setup. First we need to understand environment setup. Sir, how to write the Java program, where to write the Java program, what softwares I need to install to write the Java, how I need to execute the Java. N number of questions will be there in your mind. Don't worry. It is very, 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 very easy. Setting up the Java environment is very, 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 very easy. Right. Environment setup. All right. First one, guys, we need to download and install Java software. What is the first step that we need to do? Download, install Java software. Do we need to pay the money for that? Then what we need to do? Java is free, right? Java is free, right? Sir, I forgot to tell you one point. There are so many versions are there in the Java. Java started from Java 1.0. Now Java 18th version is available in the market. So before 5 years, 6 years of time, Java releases are very rare. For every 3 years, for every 4 years, they used to release one version of Java. They used to release for one version for every 3 years or for every 4 years. When this Java acquired by the Oracle, they started releasing for every 6 months. For every 6 months, new version of Java coming into market. For every 6 months, new version of Java coming into market. Let us see Java version history. Let us see Java version history. All right. Now, let us see here Java version history. You can check it. You can check it. Java version history. Let's go to our Wikipedia. When the first version of Java released? 1995. That was the JDK beta. What is JDK? We'll understand. Then 1996, JDK 1.0 came. Then after, in 1997, 1.1 came. Then in 1998, 1.2 came. In 2000, 1.3. In 2002, 1.4. In 2004, 1.5 came. Java 1.5 is the biggest release in the Java. Java 1.5 is the biggest release. That means so many changes happened in the Java 1.5 version. But to be frank, Java 1.5 is a failure because of so many changes they made to the Java language. Java programs became very slow in the execution. They made so many changes to the Java. You see how much time they took to release the Java 1.5? Almost 2 years of time they took to release the Java 5 version. So many new features added in the Java. Yes, so many features added to the Java. Java became very slow in the execution. They realized that immediately within 1 year, they released Java 6 version, right? Java 6 version also released. From Java 6 to Java 7, there is almost 5 years gap. Are you guys getting my point? From Java 6 to Java 7, there is almost 5 years gap is available. Then Java 8. From Java 7 to Java 8, 3 years gap. Java 5, Java 8 are the biggest releases for the Java. If we talk about the Java new features, we need to start from Java 1.5. So many changes added to the Java in the Java 1.5. And again, in the Java 1.8, so many new features are added. To be frank, 95% of the Java people who are working in the industry are not comfortable with the Java 1.8 version today. Anybody who is working in the company? Yes, man. Yes. Can you tell your experience with the Java 8? Yes. Are you good with all the features of the Java? Lambda expressions, functional interfaces, stream APIs. What is the experience you have seen with your friends and the colleagues in the company? You are good with the backend. Have you seen anybody with 3 years are lagging in the Java 1.8? 1.8 version you are using. Since till today you are using 1.8 version of Java. Even in my current project also we are using Java 1.8 version. So Java 1.8 is one of the biggest release, and that is the most difficult part in Java. The features which are added in the Java 1.8 are little challenging topics, but if you spend some time on that, then you can understand. But till today, the people are getting some confusion with Java 1.8 features. That is one of the biggest release in the Java. Functional programming, stream API, so many Lambda expressions, so many new concepts introduced in the Java 1.8 version. After Java 1.8, Java 9 came. After Java 9, then Java 10. From here, it started in our academics. In March, one exam will be available. If we fail in the March, then September. If we fail in the September, again March. If you fail in the March, Java also March 1 release, September 1 release. Every March 1 release, every September 1 release. Now can you see when the Java 8 came? March 2014. When Java 9 came? September 2017. From here it started. September 2017. Then again March Java 10 came. Then Java 11. September 2018. Java 12. March. Java 13. 2019. Java 14. March. Java 16. Java 15. September. Java 16. March. Java 17. September. Java 18. March. Java 19. September 2022. This month. September only, right? Java 19 is going to come. Again, they already announced that Java 20 will come in the March 2023. Java 21 will come September 2023. March 1 release, September 1 release. For every 6 months, a new version of Java coming into market. But to be frank, after 1.8, people are not bothering about Java new versions, because very frequently Java versions are coming. Very frequently Java versions are coming. 95% of the projects in the industry still running with Java 1.8. Oracle is not giving the time for the people to understand the next version. For every 6 months, a new version is coming. For every 6 months, a new version is coming. So people are not following the Java versions like this, right? So in the industry, even in my project Java 1.8 version we are using. Some projects in some companies are upgraded to Java 11. Some people are upgraded to Java 11. And one more thing we need to remember, whenever new version comes, are we going to directly adapt to the new version? Suppose, for example, Apple 14 came. So will you purchase immediately? You will wait for the reviews. You will purchase immediately, or you will wait for the review? You will wait for the review. Yes or no? Similarly, companies are not that much interested to adopt the new versions of any technology. They will wait for some time to understand how that version is performing in the market. So now, tomorrow or this month, Java 19 is coming. This month, Java 19 is coming. Can I develop my project by using Java 19? Why? It is risky. It is risky. If Java 19 is failure, project is failure. So can I take that risk? No. What we will do? We will go with the stable version of the Java to develop our project. we are going to use stable version of Java to develop our project. So according to my knowledge, as of now, I have seen Java 8 and I have seen Java 11. But later versions of the Java futures, currently I am also not aware. Are you guys clear with my point? As part of this course, we are going to work with Java 8 and Java 11. So initially we will start with Java 8 because that is the biggest release. Till today in the market, 95% of the projects are running with the Java 8 version. Few projects are, 2 to 3% of the projects are running with Java 11. So I'm going to cover both versions of the Java. Are you guys clear with this? Now we need to download and install Java software. We need to download and install Java software. Guys, here, in order to download Java, we need to visit official website, that is Oracle. Go to Java download. Java download for Windows. So Java downloads, go to Oracle. In the Oracle, we can download the Java. What they are saying now? What they are saying now? Java 18 and 17 are available now. Now, do we need to download those latest versions or we need to go for previous versions of Java? Previous versions of the Java. Now, I need to download Java 8. Download Java 8. Download Java 8 for Windows. Download Java 8 for Windows. Got it? So when you go to this official website of the Oracle, there you can just in the Google, you just type in the Google, download Java 8 for Windows. So we need to use the Java in the Windows computer, right? So we need to download the Java which is compatible with Windows. We need to download the Java which is compatible with the Windows. Now, Java 8 download for Windows. So when you go here, there is an option. Are you using Windows 32-bit operating system or you are using Windows 64-bit operating system? How to check which flavor of Windows we are using? This PC, right click, properties. This PC, right click, properties. So now this operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit? It is a 64-bit operating system. You can go to my PC in your machine. You can go to this PC. Earlier it was my PC. Now they changed it to, lot of trolls happened on my PC. So that's why Windows changed it to this PC. Right click on this PC and click on properties. You will understand your system type. Our system is 64-bit operating system. So now I need to download the Java Windows 64-bit. It is self-installable software. If you click on this .exe file, then it is asking a confirmation. Click on this, review and accept. Click on download. When you click on download, is it downloading directly? These people became intelligent. Is it downloading directly? What it is asking? It is asking to create an account in the Oracle. So it is free of cost. It is free of cost. Let me try to enter my details. My email ID. I think I have an account. Let me try with that. No. I have an account. Maybe I forgot the password. Yes, sir. I think my sign-in is successful. Can you see is it downloading? I don't know what is. I tried 3 passwords. One of the one is success. So that Java software is getting downloaded. So when you have account in the Oracle, when you have an account, you can log in and you can download that JDK software. If you don't have an account, you need to click on create account. It will ask some details. You can fill that form. Your email ID, your password, set email, set password, reset password, company country name, job title, phone, company name, address, city, state, zip. You can enter some dummy data. And click on create account. Once your account is created, then using your credentials, you can log in. Once you log in into the Oracle, then that Java software will be downloaded. Are you guys able to understand how to download Java? Am I paying anything? No. Directly, I am able to download the Java software from Oracle website. So Java is under license of Oracle. Whenever I download the Java, you can see that I got one .exe file. Can you guys see in my downloads? There is one .exe file is available. Yes, .exe file is available. Simply double click on this file. Next, finish. That's it. That is how we are going to install Java in our computer. It is asking yes. Now, next, Java installation. Next, it is installing by default in this directory. Can you guys check it? C program files, Java JDK 1.8. That means I'm installing Java 1.8 version. So I downloaded that software. I double clicked on it. Next, finish. By default, it is installing to C program files Java. If you want, you can change it, but no need of that. You can go with the default location of the Java. Click on next. Now Java is installing. We are setting up our machine to develop the Java program. That is environment setup. My Java is installing. Can you see the name Java SE? What is the meaning of Java SE? Standard edition. So by using this Java, what I can develop now? Only standalone applications. By using this Java, can I develop a web application? No. Okay. Click on OK. Now, guys, can you see that? Can you read it? Earlier, Java install. Now again, it is installing JRE. We will come to that. When I install Java, two things are installing. Click on next. Can you read that? 3 billion devices, 3 billion projects are running on the Java #1 development platform. 3 billion devices run Java. That means 3 billion projects developed by using Java. 3 billion devices run on Java. All right. So our Java software is getting installed. Perfect. Click on close. Go to the directory C program files, Java. Can you see there are 2 folders available just now installed? September 20. Anna? Yes, us. September 20 at 7:11 p.m. Two folders got created. What are those 2 folders? One is JDK, another one is the JRE. Sir, what is this JDK and what is this JRE? Whenever we install Java, JDK installed and JRE also installed. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment. Okay, guys. Java Development Kit and Java Runtime. Sir, what is this Java Development Kit and what is Java Runtime? JDK is providing
set of tools to develop the program and compile the program. Are you guys clear with this one? As a developer, we are going to use this Java development kit. By that means it is a simple. You might have seen cricket kit. What is the meaning of cricket kit? Bat, ball, socks, gods, like that. Some set will be available. Using that, you can play the match. Yes or no? Similarly, here Java development kit is there. What is the meaning of Java development kit? That Java development kit contains a set of tools which are used to develop the programs. Are you guys clear with my point? So tell me, what is the JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. What will be there in the JDK? Set of tools. Set of tools will be available which are used to develop the programs. Which are used to develop the programs. What is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It will give you JVM. Are you guys clear with my point? We need JVM, right? What is the JVM? Java Virtual Machine. What is the purpose of JVM? It is used to run the Java program. In the diagram, I have shown you what is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is used to run the Java program. It is used to run the Java program. Sir, do I need to install the JVM? Do I need to install the JVM? Whenever you install the Java, JDK will come, JRE will come. Inside the JRE, JVM will be there. Inside the JRE, JVM will be there. That's it. There is an interview question. What is the difference between JDK, JRE, JVM? What is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? Yes, can you tell me? Can you, now you have seen JDK, we got JDK, we got JRE, we got JVM also. Can I see the JVM? Virtual. What is the meaning of virtual? We cannot see with our eyes. We cannot see that with our eyes, but it will be part of the JRE. Tell me, what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? What is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? Come on. अरे यार आंसर तो इधर ही है ना. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains a set of tools to develop the program. What is JDK? Come on. Java Development Kit, which contains a set of tools to develop the program. That's it. What is the JRE? Java Runtime Environment. It will provide the JVM. It will provide a platform, runtime environment. In order to run the Java program, we need a platform. That platform is providing by JRE. Inside the JRE, JVM will be available. What is a JVM? Java Virtual Machine. What is the purpose of JVM? It is used to run the Java program. Are you guys clear with this? Any difficulty in that question? It is just a tricky. It is just a tricky question. What is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? JDK means Java Development Kit. It contains a set of tools to develop the program. JRE means Java Runtime Environment, which will give you the platform to run your Java program. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is going to take care of your program execution. JRE will provide the platform, but actually who is going to execute it? JVM. JVM will take your bytecode. JVM will allocate the memory. JVM will convert your bytecode into machine understandable code. JRE will give you a platform. JRE will give you platform. JVM is going to do the action. JRE, nothing but runtime environment. JVM means Java Virtual Machine, which will load your bytecode, which will take your bytecode, which will understand that how much memory required for execution, it will convert the code into machine understandable format. Are you clear with this point? Right. Now, I am a programmer. I am a programmer. Now I am going to install Java. I will develop the program. I will run the program and I will see how my program is executing. So I need both JDK and JRE. Why I need JDK and JRE? Because I am a programmer. I need to develop the program. Can I, after writing the code, can I directly give to client? Do I need to test it or not? Do I need to test it or not? If I need to test it, do I need to run that or not? I need to run. In order to run the program, what is required? JRE is required. So in my machine, I installed only JDK, or I installed both JDK and JRE. I installed both JDK and JRE. Why I installed both JDK and JRE? I need to develop the program and I need to run the program. Okay, I have developed that program and I have executed that program. Fine. Who will execute actually? Am I executing or JVM? I will tell to JVM. I will tell to JVM to execute my program. Then it will take care of the execution. It is fine. Completed. Project is completed. He is my client. His client is a businessman. What's your name? Omkar. Right. Omkar is my client. For the Omkar, I developed a project. I tested my project. My project is working fine. I will deliver to the Omkar. Omkar will develop the project. Omkar will just run the project. Omkar is a customer for me. Omkar is a client. Omkar don't know what is Java, what is software. Omkar is a pure businessman. He's a pure businessman. He want one software project. He gave me some money. With that money, I developed the project. I tested that project. I gave to Omkar. Omkar will run the project in his computer. Now tell me, Omkar needs JDK and JRE. Omkar needs only JRE. Omkar needs only JRE. Why Omkar needs only JRE? He is not the developer. He is a client. He is a client. So if you want to just run the Java program, you need only JRE. If you want to develop the program, we need set of tools to develop that. Set of tools are providing by JDK. Now you understand why they differentiated that? Why they have given two folders called JDK and JRE? It depends upon your requirement. You install whichever you want. If you want to develop a program, you need set of tools. Those tools are part of JDK. You download the Java, you install. JDK will come, JRE will come. Suppose if I am a customer, somebody developed a project for me. I want to run the project in my computer. I don't need JDK. I will install only JRE. Inside the JRE, what will be there? JVM. You understand? So now, if you are working as a developer, you need to install JDK or you need to install only JRE. We need to install both. Why we need to install both? First one is used to develop the program. Second one is used to run the program. Are you guys clear with my point? With this, we are able to download and install Java. When I install the Java, JDK is coming and JRE is also coming. To be frank, guys, I'm enjoying to teach the Java classes in the offline because it's been almost 3 years. I taught only in the online. I am feeling excited. Have you seen that excitement in my voice? Do you feel that? Yes, it is. The pitch is increasing because I'm getting self-motivated. I'm getting more energy. It's giving me 100% satisfaction to teach the Java in the offline. So I'm feeling lucky after 3 years. Good. Good, man. It's really a good platform. You are also. Yeah. Fine. Anybody having any questions as of now? People will not get the doubts in two situations. If they understand completely, पूरा समझ में आया तो doubt नहीं आता. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया तो भी doubt नहीं. If you understand completely, you will not get any doubt. If you don't understand anything, अरे भाई बाढ़ में गई. If you understand completely, you will not get a doubt. If you don't understand anything, then also you will not get the doubt. You are belongs to which category? अरे यार बाढ़ में गई जावा. No? Are you getting the concept? Yes, good. Yes, madam, please. Internally, they have so many components are available. Those components we are going to understand in the JVM architecture. Okay. So if you want, I will show you JVM architecture, but don't get shocked. Okay. बाद में बताता हूँ. JVM architecture. So this is the JVM architecture, guys. This is the JVM architecture. Internally, these many components are available, which are low bytecode, which are converting our programs into machine understandable format. Those are internals. Is this right time to talk about the internals? No. If I show you, if I explain you the internals now, हाँ तुम्हारा बच्चे नहीं आता भाई. तुम्हारा बच्चे नहीं आता. Yes, internally these components are available, which are going to convert the bytecode into machine understandable. Sir, what are these components? What they are going to do will come in the future classes. Got it? Yes. As of now, just remember that JVM is available, which is a virtual machine, which is used to run our programs. How it is executing internally, what JVM is doing internally, we will do postmortem for the JVM. What is the meaning of postmortem? Card dena. If you want to understand everything, you have to see the internals of that. So we are going to take JVM architecture in the coming classes. Now we are not in the state to understand the internals because we just entered into Java. We just downloaded and installed Java. That's it. In future, definitely I'm going to explain you JVM architecture. That also will come. Compiler, interpreter, compiler, assembler. There are three components are available. In the translators, I'm going to explain that. Yeah, both are available. Interpreter is available and compiler is also available in the Java. We will come to that as well. Okay. Good. Yes, guys, you need to ask some questions like that. Yeah. In the single file, you can keep it. If you have a single formula sequence, then they will execute in the sequence. It depends, right? Which lines you want to execute parallelly, you can execute them. No, in that, I mean, I got your point. Guys, listen carefully. He's asking a question. Java is a distributed. If I have multiple forms in the Java, how the Java code is going to run parallelly, right? So, in the single form, right? So in the single form, when you have multiple lines of code, there is a concept called methods in the Java. Okay, that will come. In the C language, we have functions. Similarly, in the Java, there is a concept called methods. So we will divide our code into methods. Those methods we will run parallelly. Got it? Yeah. Yes, guys, good. So with this, we understood how to download and install Java software. When we install Java, we got two folders. One is the JDK folder, another one is the JRE. What is the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? Come on. JDK contains a set of tools to develop Java programs. JDK contains set of tools to develop Java programs. What is there in the JRE? JRE means JRE providing providing a platform to run our Java programs. JVM is a JVM will take care of program execution. That means memory management and all, memory allocation, memory deallocation, converting the byte code into machine code. That complete part will be taken care by JVM. Is that clear? Perfect. Next one. Here guys, once you install the Java, directly we cannot use it because I installed Java in the Windows operating system. Windows operating system is one software. Java is also one software. In the Windows machine, I installed my Java, but Windows cannot identify where exactly that Java got installed. Some people may install in the C drive. So we can change the path, right? By default, it has taken C program files. That is the location where my Java got installed. You may install that Java in the D directory. You may install the Java in the E directory. So Java is installed in the machine. Java is installed in the machine, but my operating system don't know where exactly that Java software got installed. I need to tell path for the Java. I need to tell where exactly my Java is installed. To whom I need to tell that? Operating system. Are you guys clear my point? Are you guys clear with my point? So my machine is having operating system. In that machine, I installed Java. But where is that Java? I know that because I installed it in the C program files. But how Windows operating system will know that? Do I need to tell to that or not? For example, I will ask you, hey, get one marker. Do you know where is the marker? Do I need to tell the path for the marker? Go to front office table, take that draw. There is a marker, bring that. If I give the instruction, if I tell you the path, you can get me the marker. Similarly, if I want to do anything with Java in my operating system, first I need to tell to my operating system where is Java installed. Are you guys clear with my point? Now see here, in our machine, by default, command prompt will be available. In the command prompt, I am going to ask, what is Java version in my system? What is the Java version in my system? It is able to identify that? Yes or no? Java version 1.8 is available. It is able to identify the Java version. Maybe somebody already configured the version of the Java in this machine. Okay. For some people, that option may not come. That option may not come. Then what you need to do is, you need to set path for Java. What is that, guys? Set path for Java. Why we need to set path for Java? To tell where exactly my Java is available. Where is our Java available? Where is our Java available? C language, program files, JDK. C language, program files, JDK. Go to JDK. Inside the JDK, there is a directory called bin directory. Take the bin directory, copy that. Take the bin directory and copy that. So this is the path of Java. This is path of Java. Are you guys clear with my point? Now, I told you there are set of tools in the Java. These are the tools. Don't delete anything from here. These are the tools provided by Java to develop our programs. Where those tools are available? Inside JDK, inside bin directory, set of tools are available. Now, you need to take the path of JDK. So to develop the program, we are using JDK or we are using JRE? To develop the program, we will use JDK or we will use JRE? We will use JDK. Take the path of the JDK and configure that in your system. Configure that in your system. Now, this is one-time configuration, guys. No need to do every day. This is first time setup. First time setup. Now, and it is one time setup. Take the path, copy this path. Go to my PC, go to properties, or else you can go and find there is an option called environment variables. There is an option called environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Edit environment variables of your account. In one operating system, can I create multiple accounts? For myself, I will create one account. For my brother, I will create one account, like that. If you want to set the path for only for your account, go for edit environment variables for your account. If you want to set it for complete system, then go for edit system environment variables. How I opened that command option? Go to Windows search option. I'm typing in the keyboard. We have a Windows option, right? When I press it, search opened. There I am typing environment variables. What is the option I'm typing, guys? Environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Then one window opened. One window opened. Here we have the option called, can you see that? Environment variables. In this, we have user variable and we have system variable. User variable nothing but specific to one account. System variable nothing but for all accounts. Now in the system variable, already Java will be available, already path will be available. There is a path. Click on edit. Click on edit. Here, click on new option and give path for your JDK. That is the new line I have added. Can you guys take the screenshot of that? Online people, for you, I will send it. Okay? Right. You guys can take a screenshot of this. How I am adding path for the Java. So why I need to add the path for Java? Why I need to add the path for Java? To tell my system where Java is available, where Java tools are available in my system. I'm setting the path. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Path setting is completed. Where I am setting the path for Java, go to environment variables. Go to environment variables. Edit system. Go to environment variables. Go to system environment variables. System environment variables. Edit path. Edit path. Add JDK bin path. Add JDK bin path. So with this, our path setting also completed. With this, our path setting also completed. Now, after setting the path, go to your command prompt and type Java. Are you getting some options? When I type Java, are you getting some options? If we are getting some options, that means my operating system able to recognize where is Java, what is Java. Are you guys getting my point? Suppose if this path is not available, let me again go to environment variables. Let me again go to system environment variables, path, click on edit. I am deleting this. Currently, path is available, path is not available. Path is available or path is not available. I have deleted that. After deleting, I'm executing this. I think here, 1 minute. Environment variables, path, edit. Here, Oracle Java path is there, man. Delete that. Okay. CMD. Now I'm typing Java. What it is saying that now? Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means my operating system don't know what is Java, where is Java. Are you guys clear with my point? Did I install the Java? I installed it. But is it able to recognize? Is it able to find out where is Java? No. What is the option we are getting? Can you read that? I just opened my command prompt and I typed a command called Java. What I am getting? Java is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or batch file. That means in your system, Java is not working. Java path is not available in your system. Now, can you tell me how can I resolve this problem? By setting the path, right? So can you tell me the steps what I need to do? Come on. Go to environment variable, type environment variables, type environment variable, system variables or account variables, system variables, edit the system variables. In the system variables, now what I need to do? I need to click on a button called environment variables, then path, user variable, system variable, system variable. Path already available or not? Already available. If a path is already available, don't delete it. Don't delete it. You just edit that. If a path is not available, you add it and you set the path. If a path is already available, don't delete. Delete mat karna. We just need to edit that. Click on the path, click on edit. Already there are some paths available. Now we just need to add that path. Can you tell me how to add it? Click on new. Then I need to add the path. Path I am giving up to JDK or I am giving up to bin directory. I'm giving up to JDK or I'm giving up to bin directory. I'm giving up to bin directory. Why I need to give up to bin directory? Because the JDK tools are available inside the bin directory. JDK tools are available inside the bin directory. Fine, done. Click on OK, click on OK, OK, done. 3 OKs completed. How can I verify my system is able to locate the Java? Go to CMD, go to command prompt, then type a command called Java. Is it able to recognize now? Is it giving that option? Java is not recognizable? No. It is able to give me some options. Iska matlab, it is able to identify where is Java. So what I have done 2 steps today. I have done 2 steps today. What are the 2 steps, guys? Download and install Java. When I download and install the Java, how many softwares are installing? Only 1 or 2? 2 softwares are installed. What are those 2 softwares? One is the JDK, another one is the JRE. What is the difference between JDK and JRE? JDK stands for Java Development Kit, which contains set of tools to develop the program. What is the JRE? JRE is providing a runtime environment which is used to run the program. Inside the JRE, what will be available? JVM will be available. What is a JVM? Java Virtual Machine. Why we need that virtual machine? To convert our bytecode into machine understandable code. Who will take care of the memory management for program execution? Programmer should take care or JVM will take care? JVM will take care. Are you clear with my point? So we are good with the Java installation. After installing the Java, can I directly use the Java? Why? Operating system cannot. नींद आ रहा है क्या आपको? नींद आ रहा है? निद्रा वस्तुंदा? He will rest. Are you feeling sleepy? No, listen carefully. So tell me, why we need to set path for Java? Why we need to set path for Java? Why? Why we need to set path for Java? So gaya na? Why we need to set path for Java? We know the process. Why? But why? Q. What is your mother tongue? Telugu? ఎందుకు పెట్టాలి? Why we path ఎందుకు సెట్ చేయాలి? Path ఎందుకు సెట్ చేయాలి? No? Can anyone tell me why we need to set the path? Concentrate. Your body is present, your mind is absent. That is the reason I explained for 3 times why we need to set the path. Why are you coming to the classes? After going home, think and come for tomorrow session. If you want to understand, if you want to learn, then only come for the class. Okay? Right. Yes. Why we need to set path for Java? To tell the operating system where is Java installed. To tell the operating system where Java is installed, we are setting the path. If I don't set the path, what will happen? If I don't set the path, what will happen? I cannot use Java. If I just install, I cannot use it. After installing the Java, we need to set the path for Java. Then only we can use that Java. Where to set path for Java? Environment variables. Environment variables means the variables which are using by operating system. Environment variables means the variables which are using by our operating system. I am telling to my operating system where my Java is installed. Where I have installed Java? Where I installed Java? See program file JDK, JDK and JRE. Good. Understood? Why we need to set path? Why we need to set path? To tell operating system where Java is installed. Good. How to verify my Java is working or not? Open command prompt. Open command prompt. So in every machine, in every Windows machine, this command prompt will be available. Go to search button, type CMD, command prompt will open. In that command prompt, you write a command called Java, then enter. Are you getting the options? Yes. If Java path is not available, what error we will get? Java is not recognized. Java is not recognized. If you get the problem as Java is not recognized, that means your path setting is incorrect. So that is how you need to troubleshoot the problems. I have shown you the problem and I have shown you the solution also. Are you guys clear with this? So with this, what we have done? Environment setup is completed. We are able to download and install, and we are able to complete the path setup also. After this, sir, okay, in my machine, Java is available, but where I should write the Java program? Do I need any now for next 1 month? For next 1 month, you don't need any other software to write the Java program. In your computer, by default, Notepad is available. In your computer, by default, Notepad is available. In the Notepad, we can write the Java program, we can compile the Java program, and we can run the Java program. For compiling, JDK tools are available. For execution, JRE and JVM is available. What is the execution flow of a Java program? What is the execution flow of the Java program? First, we are going to write the Java program. You can write the Java program in the Notepad. Then you need to compile the Java program. Then you need to run the Java program. When you run, is it running directly? Who will run that? JVM will come. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, which will take the bytecode and which will convert the bytecode into machine understandable code. Now, are you feeling Java is difficult? Both easy, na? So you need to learn in proper direction. Then Java is also very easy. I told you, if you start doing the coding, you will love the programming. Programming is fun. So it is easy. You need to remove that from your brain. Java is difficult. Array coding is difficult. Remove that. It is not difficult. It is easy. Slowly we are going to learn that. Are you guys clear? Yep. Any questions, anybody? Huh? कुछ नहीं होगा, but in कुछ नहीं होगा, you can set the path in the user variable or you can set the path in the system variable also. Now, in your system, for example, there are two accounts, Raju account and Rani account. You are using Raju account. If you set the path in the Raju account, only for Raju that path will work. When Rani use that system, Java will not work. It is specific to one user. User account means system means common for all the accounts. Got it? Yep. Our coach questions? Huh. Execution time? Yeah, yes, that's a good question. So he told me, he asking that when compared with C and Java, C programs are directly executing on the machine. For Java, conversion required. Who is doing that conversion? JVM. So when we compare Java and C, which one will take more time? Java, definitely. Java will take more time. To reduce that time in the JVM, they added a concept called JIT. JIT, just in time, right? JIT is available. By using that JIT, Java programs will run in the quick manner, right? So there is in the JVM architecture, we'll come to that part. Yeah. To speed up the execution process, they added JIT in that. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone else having any questions? So what is the task for today? All of you should set up Java in your machine. You need to download and install Java in your machine, and you need to complete path setup also. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start writing our Java program. Very small programs we are going to start with Java. Thank you guys. So we'll see you in the tomorrow session. I will post the notes in the WhatsApp group that we have created, and video also I'm going to share. Thank you. We'll see you in the tomorrow session. People from online, any questions, anybody? Online people, post your questions in the chat box. I will read it. Give me 5 minutes to answer your questions.